Hey guys, it's the Webkinz here, and today I have a package and it's very special. It's another signature, but I won't tell you what it is until the end when you find out. But I just realized I didn't have scissors with me again, so let me go get them. Now that I have the brush, as you can see, basically, it's a really fluffy dog. Okay, anywho, I'm gonna open it if I can, so yeah. Of course, it's in bubble wrap. Yo! You see what it is? Yay! Ready? Oh my god! It is. Oh my god. It is so adorable. Let me just fix the fur because it was in a package. And it came so quickly, like, I'm not even joking. It came so fast. It came in, let's see, Thursday, Friday. 5 days? It came in 5 days. It's crazy. Okay. It is so adorable, and I'm not really sure what the name is, so let me go look at the names I have. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I know what her name is gonna be, and I think it's gonna be June, unless I change it, but yeah, so adorable. And I got it before I leave, so yay. It's a bit stiff, but she's so cute. And here's her W, and here's her tag, her tush tag, and she's not come with the code, but that's alright. I don't really play online anymore, so yay! I got my package and I'm happy it came so quickly. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This is not burger shop in any way. I pay with my own money. Yeah. Bye guys.